Hello, welcome back. Right, this move has come round a lot quicker than I actually anticipated. So I'm moving out in a week tomorrow, which is great news. Oh, absolutely delighted. So this week I've been going around frantically washing everything that I possibly can, getting rid of anything that cannot go. As you know, when you're moving out of a house that's got mould, there's a lot of things you have to get rid of. Everything else, what I've been doing is washing in the washing machine with Dettol and white vinegar, putting the white vinegar in the rinse right at the end. You can't put it through the full wash because you'll damage all the fabrics in your bedding and your blankets and things. Once they are completely dry, then I've been storing all those directly into plastic boxes or even bags like this. You can get those online from Amazon. So yeah, my washing machine has been going every single day, but it's really important that any soft furnishings that you can take and you can keep, to wash them, Dettol, vinegar, dry them completely and put them straight away into plastic containers. That's all I can tell you right now, because I haven't been able to do many videos because it's been hectic, doing tip runs, getting rid of everything, packing away as much as I possibly can, washing everything for a week from now. A week tomorrow I move out. Oh, I can't wait. It's been a long time coming, but I am so happy. The next video I'll give you a walk on the house when it's empty, and then I'll show you the new house. Bye for now.